Hello everybody, and welcome to part 3 of how to smoke meat Bosnian style. In this quick video, I will pretty much show you how to make the fire and what is all required. And I don't know if you can see, it hasn't started smoking yet, but the way I make the fire is I have wood. You can do hickory, you can do maple, you can do pretty much any kind of wood. So you can see the logs, they're pretty big compared to my foot. Yeah, it's been snowing over here, so there's a lot of snow. But the way you want to make your fire is, you see right now, the fire is going pretty good. Right now you would not want to close the lid because there's no smoke. If you close the lid, there will be smoke, but it will not last long. It will last about 20 minutes, and then the smoke will disappear. And you want the smoke to be you want there to be as much smoke as possible and as long as possible. So what I did, I took some drier wood and I made the fire, and I'm waiting about 15 minutes until the fire pretty much becomes like red and it burns down, so you can have like real red fire on the bottom, like after the wood has completely burned down. Not when it's completely turned off. You just want it to be like real red. You see the red part right there? Let me see if I can point it. Yeah, right there. You want it to be like that, just so the little pieces of wood that have burned down. And then after you have the fire burned down, you would add one of your wetter logs that's not completely dry, because if they're wet, they will create more smoke, and then your meat will start smoking. I'll continue the video later once this fire has gone down a little bit. Alright, now the fire, as you can see, it's pretty much burning all the way down. There's just one little log in the middle that's real good, that's still burning. And now I'm gonna show you the meat. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can take out a piece in the light. See, this has been a couple of days. You can see it's getting the smoked color, and it's a little bit firmer to the touch. Now we're going to put it back in. And there's like the rest of the meat. Let's see it. Alright. Alright. And now with the fire, after you get the fire like burned down a little bit so you can have some like ashes, but you want the ashes to be real red and still burning, you open up your vent. That way the smoke can go inside the little tunnel and back up into the smokehouse. What I like to do is take a bigger log like this that it is wet. The log's been outside, it's fresh, it was cut down probably like couple of months ago, and it's been rained on. It's still wet, and it burns real slow. I'm talking about it will take at least a couple hours for this log to burn. Same like that one. That one is going to burn probably for another hour or so. And now it is the perfect condition to add your big log. See the fire? There's a lot of good ashes in here, and they're all bright red in color. Now what you want to do is add your big log. Just like that. It will pretty much consume. You want to get it right in the center. The moisture from the log and then the real hot wood that we burned earlier will create a lot of smoke. I don't know, I'm standing too close. You can see the smoke coming out. And bam. So that is how you create smoke in a fire. This log will eventually burn out, but it will take hours and hours and hours. And now we're gonna close it. All right. All right, and now that you have closed your lid, you can see the smoke. Let me see if this camera is gonna catch it. Yeah, you can see the smoke coming up from the top. So this smokehouse right now is full of smoke. Let me try to get a better angle for you guys. All right, you can see the smoke. It is slowly coming out from the top, and that's how you want it to be. And this log will probably keep this smoke going for a couple of hours. And you do this a couple times. You can do it probably once a day. That's what I do. I do it once a day for about 7 days, and then I take the meat off and I start the next round with fresh meat. But it is all up to you. You can experiment. You can do it longer. You can do it for 2 weeks. It all depends how tender you want your meat to be and how smoky you want it to be. Whew, the smoke is getting to me, guys. All right, I'm gonna end this video right here. This is how you smoke Bosnian meat. And you can experiment. You can smoke it. There's some people that make a small fire and they do it for an entire month. They slowly smoke it. There's some people that do it in 3 days, where they keep the smoke going 24/7 for 3 days. That also does the trick. But me personally, I've found the sweet spot right in the middle. I make the fire once a day for about 3-4 hours, and then at 7 days the meat is ready to eat. So make sure you watch the part 1 and part 2 of this video on how to smoke meat Bosnian style. And subscribe to the channel, drop a like, drop a comment below if you got some secret recipe or if you got some tips. And see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.